to Crying Book TV and become very popular. Like and comment and subscribe.
Coloring Book TV family. Yeah man, so I don't want to see the new movie title, you know, what I call Mad Out. You understand? So what I want to do now, I want to know watch the story to the end so I can understand it. Because there will be a part 2. You understand? To all this movie epic, I can't just drop everything in the part 1. So when I shoot the movie, I say, you know what I say, I just do a part 2 though, so I cut the movie right there, so you understand? So where you see the movie end, you just cut it right there, so no worry yourself. Another part 2 did the feel. You understand? Part 2 did it and I wait part 1. You understand? Maybe after I post part 1, I not go post part 2. Maybe I go to another movie then post part 2. You understand? But worry yourself, part 2 did it. You understand? So just go and big up on yourself. You understand? And continue to support Coloring Book TV because we are going to put the work out there, you know, for UNO. So big up all of my family them, you know, all of my YouTube family them, you know, all of UK, you know, Barbados, you know, Canada, you know, just big up everywhere overseas. You know, I can't remember all the name them. I try, you know, big up all Trinidad too, you know, big up. Well, I can't remember, but big up, just big up the whole overseas, you understand? And big up the whole of my fans over there in Jamaica, you understand? Whole of 14 parish, and just big up on yourself. Coloring Book TV to your world. So watch the movie.
Yeah, man, shit that broken up, man. I mean, yeah, it's
Yeah.
part.
I'll juice me I make coffee by right now.
You lucky ass silver, I mean, I have none. I said, right now, I'm going to figure out a way out to make some money, though. I think the best thing, link Mr. Chin,
No, open nobody. No, open nobody.
oh, what's it?
No, open nobody.
Oh, man, money I make. Money I make.
Man, I mean, and
That's what I'm doing.
Call,
One,
there.
Oh, God.
One day I drop some yai water, man.
Come on now. It's a pass through me, I make, you know. You know, a pass. I come off fire over there, do some business. The whole day me in a bank, so I just say I come go and check, you know, can't live out the family, you know.
You know, say, what cousin my daughter, though?
Which one of them there?
Matthew.
Matthew?
Yeah, man.
What mad out Matthew?
Why the family and taking things, them, man, and man start getting head. And then came back. Majority of things, them, I think. Or maybe all I think. Hey, come back a little, but it's still a go on.
So, Lani, you tell me, say, I show Matthew, I elevate. Then just take on them from him and I licking nerves and making him mad.
And when you get back, some come back, but we still want can go check him out, still a doctor. So we need 200,000 to see if he really come back.
I know me not
As me I say right now,
even know
a bank me does come from. You see me? A whole heap of
So we
money
can get
there,
200,000.
Don't know about.
I want juice more make coffee by.
I want to check me wrong time, man. You understand? Wrong time, cause
You're not rich, man. You're not
no one about that, you know. No, you see, true, see me live in a good house and me a drive a one car. That don't mean I'm rich, cause me have a little food, but you know, sometimes bills it take over your life. You understand? Remember say majority of the day them dey on the road. If you drive this a car,
that's what I'm telling you.
sometimes I don't know where you say, you know, sometimes I'll tone me there, you know, so that take me all 10
I tell you, remember bridge light, daddy. Bridge light, you have to pay light bill. And the water.
man.
If you want to pay
That's
light
real
bill
to the
money,
government,
you
you know.
can buy
You understand? So we don't do nothing fraud. Me not know me I do nothing fraud.
I know fraud, they don't know.
But me just do that pass through and I make sure everything. But me can't believe I go on with him do, I swear. Oh no, worry on yourself, man. Me I go make you get the money, you know. You understand? Me don't want to feel like me don't want to help, you know. And none of my cousin.
Around 3 months, no, you have to be that. 3 months now.
No, so I said, man, none of my cousin.
You're lucky at 3 months, man. Tell you that about 6 months now.
So make you get that thing. We see how a day and you drive past. Yo, man, I say, yo. Soon circle, I know.
Me get one number, I say, yo, let me drink a special at $200. Blue, kick, so circle. I wait until the bar lock.
But cause you know why best thing though. Like when you come and no ask me and I say, yo, go no 2 bills. I mean no say I rum no I go buy it, I don't know. Good with the money. The best thing when I just come and say, why wanna make me bill in a shop or
bill a shop.
You understand? We help in
Bill
invest
a shop.
But me I don't have to go sit down and talk. Me I don't have to sit down and talk about that. They're on the rush now, you understand? So me get back down here. So big up on yourself, you know.
Alright, bless up. Yeah.
Alright, only for respect.
Alright. Wow. It's rough. Yo, if you get that, they tell her that today, yeah. Alright.
Rain good up a tsunami come.
Alright,
Not even rain, a tsunami.
Yo, me not want to pay attention, yeah? Get on there. Yeah. Oh, okay. You know me how do?
Huh?
No chicken, man. I'm telling you, I want serious death. I'm going to go to prison, I'm going to deal with it fast. Come on here, fine.
Not even that. Nah, making you $1.
What? Man, I said, yeah, what? Happy week up. Actually, we laugh too much. That's how we not get it. You have to be serious.
Anything you say, man, you got a background?
Yeah, man, I got a background, man. Just watch something else.
Come, can't wait. Yeah?
Yeah, man, no problem. God,
You can't not trick me out and I'm not coming.
No, man, I'm not secure, man. Not secure. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm not here.
Good. I'll leave me up on the road, no mind just step on you.
So I'm going.
Yeah, so what's for dinner call? Kinda tired right now, you know. My day a bank and you call me and say I want burger and me have to call somebody and make them carry come here.
Yeah,
So yeah, me make you get something to eat now, so no want some dinner. Where you look about for me now?
I don't know what you want.
Feel like I eat some curry chicken with dumpling.
Do you love curry chicken, sir?
Well, that's my favorite meal, you know. But I love curry chicken with rice, but today I don't feel like I eat dumpling.
Alright then, but I look at mom would have looked about that still.
How long? Because as I said, I'm in a bank all day today, so I'm kind of hungry right now.
So you're not on the road or anything?
No, as I say, I bank me this, so I need have time for that. You just have to make sure say you call me and say you're hungry, so I make sure say alright, you understand?
For the next 5 minutes, I eat 2 fries then we can go look about it for you.
Alright, so I think I go while I shower in a meal while I just lie down and watch the TV and make you go and do it. Maybe after when I don't cook, I go and look at massage. You understand?
Okay,
so,
sir.
oh, my cousin them doesn't come from, you know.
So I'm going over there.
You know, them tell me say they want the money, but I tell them say I bank me there in a whole day, so I can't really give them nothing now.
So I'm asking a question.
But I can't really give them money every day, you know, although I never give them it, but they must understand. Them never come to me and say, cuz, buy me a car now and put it on the road, make me work for you. You understand? I'm a run some taxi fee and
you know,
gear.
say because them a waste of time.
That's what I say. Them never come to me with none of them something to make me start them a business. Them always want to beg me $1,000 when that now go benefit them. You understand? So kind of rough still, but you know, family sometimes you have to try help them, but you know, when the mother buy everything you can't
So yeah then, when time I give them all of your money, right? How me I get burger and them stuff then? Oh yeah, go mind me. How you give me money and then something?
Worry about you, baby. You know I got you already, okay? okay? You know, me love you, I'm not put nobody over you. So anything you want, you will get it, okay?
Okay.
So, I'm going to go to a shower now, so when you're done, you just look about some dinner for me, okay?
I'm going to look about it for right now.
Alright.
Yeah, something like America with a hot tub, I'm going to look at it.
I'm in my room, yes, sir.
Alright. Come here. Sit down there, son. What happened to you?
Tired, man.
Guess who called me tell me say they will come over here?
Bill Gates.
Sure. What Bill Gates come over here and do?
You know Bill Gates are
Chad.
You can't so serious.
Yeah, Chad called me and tell me say he will come over here.
You mean it, no? Hey.
Yeah, allow me cousin alone.
Yo, which are one of the meanest family we have. But nevertheless, you know what I do? Right now, I have a good idea. I want to chop a piece of food off him, but you say me ask him if me think say it's going to be a 1% chance.
I think he might get him, but me and my family, so most likely maybe we can get him. I'm not sure.
You don't say smart though.
Me and my family.
I first never say smart.
I'm find someone.
I first never say you're smart, so you study well in a school, so here what you do now. You just tell him say I want to put emergency
So
situation.
then question, you give him back his money?
No, you're mad. I'm going to get a thing outside.
Oh, yeah man, yeah, come.
Say, put him in sit down first.
I think to me have cancer.
No, yeah, you got tell him to look at that. Tell him say, doctor say you need a kidney transplant if you can get one of your kidney. You know you never do that.
Yeah, me know we not.
Tell us the thing say, a 2 option then you like that 250,000 or a new kidney transplant. And fearing like so, but if me tell them, they're not going to believe me.
You know, because everybody don't know, so you're a liar already. Everybody.
And you teach me that?
Yeah.
Cuz,
Yeah.
want to pull that drill out?
I'm going to boy.
Yeah, you know, it's a long time you don't check your family them, so you know
Glad
more
to see you, man.
you have to
I
pass
pray
and check your family them, man. Blessings, man, you know.
Hello.
Show the respect, man.
I pray.
Yeah, man, in there, man. Alright. One papa in there. Yeah, man. Cause smart out to do a call. Yeah, dealing.
Hello, good day.
Only for respect, man. Blessings there.
Yeah.
Alright. Come in, cuz. Come in.
So I'm going cousin. Hi. Hi. What's up?
Yeah, man, so,
No man, should be
yeah,
there.
I get to meet her in person, so now you meet my wife.
What that me
Her
there?
this is my wife.
She do nice though.
Yeah,
You
man,
look
so-
like some like cranky donkey there when we see you with.
So life a cheat, you know.
And I was like, can I shoot? I just me there I go and pretend to put a smile on my face right now. You know, say other day, I kind of black out though. And when time Papa they run with me to the hospital and tell me something wrong with my kidney. So
Kidney?
Yeah man, so
Eh.
yeah, so make more one new kidney right now. So like how me and you want same blood type with your family. Probably you can't just give one your kidney because I did do me depend on
You one of them which kid?
Me ain't
Cause
no
what kind
family.
of argument that you can bring to me cause about give one of my kidney?
I
Eh?
need a kidney transplant is I bury you know who come bury me. You want bury me? A 2 options then give me. Either me find 300,000 or you have to give money your kidney because me and you and all somebody in our family have the same blood type. Nobody else can give me but you. So either the 300,000, you lend me the 300,000 as soon as me get the money me pay you back, but see with me cause but me dey on dead road.
Why? Cause you know, so we tell you the truth. That's our money me have to deal with some business. Some really important business. You understand? Hold on, so me have to get a message. So, me don't know still. Where your account number?
Give me a account number. And then me. You go send it?
Yeah man, I'll send it man. So just put your account number in there and send it.
Yeah.
Oh boy, may I feel good now. You understand? We just sit to me and make a pass through still.
I'm glad to see your face still. At least I can put a little smile on my face in ideas.
Yeah man, friend, I like saving things cause you know me I go help you.
Yeah, man.
You understand? But as me say, it's a business money, so you know I go. So
Yeah, man,
just
I
go and bless up
understand.
yourself, just sit to me and make a pass through. You understand? Me and wife is kind of roll to this, so.
Yeah, but your wife nice though.
Yeah man, respect man. Yeah.
And your eyelash then long though. Jesus.
I don't know Jack, the ball in the idea. So cuz, pick up yourself again man.
Alright.
Here. Alright, big up here.
Alright then.
Come lock up back your oh, cuz boy you want that sir.
Yeah man, you feel good man.
Alright, yeah man.
Oh. Oh.
Can't find the house key.
What do you mean I can't find the house key?
Oh boy.
I could think somebody carry spirit key for me. Yeah.
Wonder if I don't have flow, me left the key a while ago and I'm going to get the new chip.
I don't know, maybe I just or maybe one time I couldn't hear your cousin. I don't know.
No man, I did take up the back of the phone man. When I take up the phone, I did take up back the key with me.
I don't know about that.
Hold on, I'm try to call one of them.
See, I pick up.
I'm try to call one of them man.
Take more time, son.
Hold on man, because the key is important to the man. Oh boy.
When I get her.
No, get her. Anyways, you fear key still, but me feel like I don't have flow, because when I go down a flow, I'm going to take out the money to get the chip for me, put on the phone and even the car key me put on. So me feel like I don't, but
I don't feel like I can't key and the other key. That's the thing. Maybe I don't hear your cousin or something.
when I don't there. If I don't there, then I call me and tell me to left the key.
Next thing,
I don't there, me left it.
thing we do is a while ago, I don't really trust her.
Whatever.
Never mind, your cousin, I don't want to say nothing, you say me a chat back to you.
No man, I don't feel nothing wrong with them. Man. I don't feel nothing much I do. You understand? I just know say something wrong with them for sure. You understand? She don't really ask me for money, you know. The other one, them ask me for money, you know. You understand? Papa and James. And them alone ask me for money. She don't ask me. So if she asks me, I ask for something serious. But I'll let me lend them. I don't like me give them. So they won't give me back money. You understand? So, basically, I feel like I want to go upstairs by the pool. Let's go. Chill out. I'll go upstairs.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Go. Alright, come on. Can I feel up there?
Yeah.
Come here now.
So,
How are you going for?
no, I'm going in the car now. It's not something I do something.
Sure. So anyway,
How you go?
you know good in terms of saying I give me the money.
Huh?
I don't me I make money.
Oh, you're fucking.
I don't me I beg. Anyway, me tell you say 250 me want. And you see same thing we say, you not go and give me kidney. One time I tell about him, he come like in here and open up wide.
How old are you when you give me, man?
Anyway, he give me a 250,000 I get.
200.
Yeah, me give me account number and he send in an account.
Alright, send 250 to me.
What?
Can I send 240?
Me, you will get 200.
Do it.
At least 50 can be for me. You know, the other one good somebody.
Do it, man. Do it.
Alright, see you there.
Yeah, man, check. All
Look,
right.
see they send.
But me still have to check my account.
It's a checky. Yeah, text.
Alright, you come.
Oh.
Oh, God, nice.
So, but next thing again, he left in house key.
But you're a thief, man.
Come on.
Not only a liar,
Shut
that
up.
thief.
You see, anyone call you, them say, you're not seeing key.
But me not see it. Me never even could ask me that.
Oh, that's not true, that's not true. But he might call you and say if you when you come back if I see it. Me I tell you something
No,
see
me
it
never
now.
see it.
So here one next thing we can do.
What?
I realize I mean for true, you know. So you see, if we want anything out there, we can go there, we take out anything out of the house and sell it. And the
I know you
laptop,
talk. I know you talk.
and the laptop you do business for now, the money transfer, the money transaction and something. The laptop you do it for now. So, I think what they must easy figure out, because it's true, not too bright, you know, put nothing hard there, understand? So we can go there, all TV is supposed to have that big place and have up there, you know.
No man, TV can't talk.
You know how much money can get for one big fat screen TV right now?
Oh boy. Really, well, me work with you. Anything else?
So you see when we don't say no today, we can just roll in up there, see? I remember, you don't see it. I mean, I see it.
See what?
Oh.
What you talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
You get it.
Oh.
You get. What kind of business you do with that money business?
Yeah, man, I always use to turn you over and make some money. I know you think I agree, I agree.
So how many I get none? I don't see I send nothing on the phone.
Tell her.
The money you got to deal with?
You come like a one big old, yo, you know just take 50 out of it.
That's what you thought.
How much I really chop? Make it about.
No, somebody else make me that think about. I want to play me see that and me say it, man. You know they look at warriors. Yeah.
I'm tired! I want
I
to play
your
the
seat, you know.
Yeah, man.
Now play business.
Yeah, man. You feel like you robbed me tomorrow. Yeah.
You get 2 and me get 50.
I bet I'm going to find out how much I really chop.
You will find out. And you say 250.
Alright.
Think I get more on me?
And so I'm going to do it soon as possible. Yeah, man, no problem. Alright. Babe. You know, so we have to go leave maybe 1 month or so.
1 month?
Yeah, because I just get a call right now. You understand? And I have a business to go deal with. And we have to book in a hotel. Understand? We have a town. So we're not going to be here for maybe 1 month or so.
Alright then.
So
I thought it was a hotel.
maybe a month or 3 weeks we are going to do this.
The month, alright, the month, good.
So let's get the things in ready right now.
So may I be careful about?
Hotel.
We can't, may I be careful, I can't with us.
No, let's get it.
And
Now
you
go.
place new clothes.
Now go carry this because I don't use this. Understand? But I really want to lift this on the bed like that because it's a working tool.
I don't want to carry a bag, that's why I say that.
Just get you something that want to come now, man. If you can't hold certain things, may get some things on the road, you understand?
The bag can't hold no more, that's why I say that clothes like this. It can't hold no more, and the hammer.
You know, see, you just always want to spend money. And every woman turn.
I don't always want to spend money, but
More clothes can hold in the bag. Put
the
clothes
bag
in the
can't
bag.
hold no more.
You love put clothes in the bag.
So that's why the
Because
bag
I buy
can't
your
hold
clothes
no more.
actually every day. Every day you go up on the road and you see clothes, you want clothes. So not sure where you go up on big trip now yet. You just always want to spend money. You're not think to try to help me to make money.
The bag will be heavy and I don't want to hit me on the road to my back.
Ah, boy. Come,
Ready?
fix up the hair. Come,
We share them, then they.
Come, put on your bottom.
So you're doing them there.
Just fix them now. I'm going to move with the suitcase.
So when you going to aggressive from the
Because we're on time. Somebody will wait for me. Come on, man.
Yeah.
You don't know yet for me. I'm calling my cousin and tell him to say.
Let me come like say at the airport, where to go with suitcase?
No, man. So I'm closing it. I'm going to call my cousin.
Come on.
Start up the car and walk. Please.
So, pass the staircase on me, please, guys.
Cause me there, you know, say me now go there in a place say a little while, you understand? Me there me get one little contract, so me I go deal with some work. So the people them a book a hotel for me, so me now go there for a while. You understand? So me just me couldn't know so me now in a place.
Alright, just mash up the plan because just mash up it.
Yeah man. Yeah man, it's a mission me I go on man, maybe around 3 weeks or so. So you know I go, me just me couldn't know, cause you know we have family said we are low, you know.
I'm bring man to a right.
Or yourself, cuz bud. Just big up yourself. Here, and big up Jamie for me.
Alright.
Yeah man, I make Ali a note to here.
Yeah.
Alright, cuz. Yeah man, blessings.
You don't know
I want you to phone now, Jack.
because boy, say Kingston go walk. Now come up now. Book it out. Yeah man.
Who's one?
Huh?
Who's one?
Why are we taking money off of money? I know.
Oh. Throw money for them now, throw. I know him alone have money.
Relax, daddy. Yo, shit, tell say how man key.
Oh. But if you got it, no.
Where are you doing key?
Shut my
Oh, in
mouth.
here.
No.
Yes, and he didn't give me one. No, if I ever tell nobody, say he didn't give me key. Anyway, like how in there.
Yes. What you take man key? You see who now put in the
No, but that's a good thing.
But he not take the
Hey,
key.
that's a
He will
good
leave
thing
the
now.
key.
Because I say my boy, I best time of the whole computer. When I'm doing transaction them pan.
I can't do that.
Yo, relax yourself. You go like you know what my money.
You don't go too far now. You see, you mean yes, I mean cousin, but
You don't want some money?
Not do that.
You don't want some money?
That not good.
You want some money?
Me not listen up.
Answer the
Don't
question.
do
You
it.
know
Me
what
not
I
want
want?
night.
You know what I want?
If you not do it, me not want that.
So me I want 20
Better
grand
we
here.
ask him, continue ask him if he not give you so.
Me I want 20 grand here and you don't want it.
If you give me one poor, why one poor?
You don't want it?
Why
The
one
20
poor?
grand where fees me get it from?
You go up there.
Me not go up there. And give me and send it to me account.
Yes,
Huh?
we can continue ask and ask till we get the money and fine. But if we now go up there and using key, we not work, so not do that.
Yo.
I know
The key
good,
there in the top jar in a room.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
you know what to do with it.
Alright.
In the top
You
jar.
don't want nothing to tell you.
Daddy, if any money I spend here, you get none out of it. Yeah, me I have a problem.
Me say anything you not do, me can't.
You want one poor now?
You want a pour?
Yeah.
Come go up to your house.
Me not go there.
Let me tell you something. You see any food
Me
buy
do
a
it
cook. Out of that the money they buy a cook. So you're
You see
still
anything you
yummy.
cook in here? None of me.
Well, me don't know about it.
Who don't know about it? Just make sure
Me
we
don't
don't hear
know
back
about
home.
it.
And you
Yeah.
find out say I want to
Alright, me run a test spelling. First come. Don't you see my computer? Don't you know TV computer? Good.
Good man.
Right,
In that
you
top
pass
jar.
the test.
Yeah, so me never say nothing.
Shut the promote and top of it.
Alright.
How your face? They're nice. Your face are good. Shut the mouth.
You pass the test, man. You pass the test.
Not deep.
Oh.
Into mean where you take from. I will grow up and live with you over here. So far, I go over in a rich life.
Hey, stop guys. You know the internet plan all along from the first day until I talk about it.
Yeah, me know say that, but the two we don't get through.
Talk, yeah man.
Let me tell you something. You see, when you hear back, you see, if we go down, you are come down.
Me I make sure you call on and come and tell him say, yo, cuz.
Me I tell him say,
I him be pushed through the window and him take up because.
You
Exactly.
can't say that.
And when him take up, you
Yeah,
never
say
know
that.
that how it key.
When I know he call the day now.
Are
He
you
call the
taking
day now. I ask if he came over here. I tell him no, no.
And you did
Me
there.
tell remember say no.
Go on.
You come here. You not easy do my phone see key no.
Okay.
Remember you know. You not see it though, but that me I say you must take up the key no. So you stay. You love touch. So say no what you want. Yo, deal with it, deal. Quick and fast.
Come on, man. Come on.
Now go.
Why not? Why let me
Go on,
stay?
go on.
Because if me go down, you want go down too.
Remember, yeah, go down to you. Come here, go to the computer, I'm put in the lab and take a picture. Okay. Right.
Hurry up, see me.
You see.
Nice. Too enough for that video.
No, mix it up now.
Yes, best thing you do. You don't want to pour back your head over there. Bomba! What you say?
Money, I don't reckon. Look at that.
Look at it.
Don't take a picture and turn around.
You don't take my picture?
Don't take your head.
Money.
Money access to money, I think.
Come on, we can't deal with that man. Easy.
Brains boy.
Yo.
Are you a job that you know? Hey! What? That's how it is. I think that too long and I won't making blacks, you know.
It come like in the drop with
Yeah.
the gun.
Because when I talk to you, that the access that right
Me nah do nothing with that.
Oh, remember I have a picture for the phone.
You know my picture.
Alright.
You can't take my picture.
Yo, put that on the camera. Show him some. Come take picture, come.
Relax.
Cheese! Cheese! Yeah. I'm here, you wall away in a
If
this.
you are good on, you are good on.
Wall away. So you see, if you don't want that picture, then go out. Access this.
Access because your brain is skilling at that. Me not skilling a computer, daddy.
Yeah.
What me want some money?
Take 2 more, no, man.
Don't take.
Yeah.
I said we can't, but this one.
Just access it, daddy. We need
What's the
some
picture
money.
now? We need some money now.
I'm gonna let you know a little secret by the time you access it. You know, so she licked 250,000. Yeah.
Chum change that still. What the point of that?
Wow.
I need a new kidney.
And if I would have given it, and you know, now the same guy 250,000. So I said, if you could need a get it. Access to that.
So like 200 split at that already?
She
You
takes
see, if you didn't want
She take you all life.
Well, I she get.
a 50, me take out it because of the film plan. And give me 200.
Oh.
Alright, since I the chat now, say, me take 200 and I take 50. Me can't go to boy, you know. And say, yo, cause you get the kidney transplant, and I say, yeah man, me know man, and me give her 300,000. And you tell me say you get 250. Is that
No,
lion?
but just say I put 115 if me want no medication,
Yes.
me buy. That thing this man.
Oh, me
But
can't.
me couldn't get 50,000 money for me medication.
I don't want to put me hand when the man.
Your fingerprint done
The
there.
man tool, the man work.
Your fingerprint the
I don't
pan.
want the man to.
That can't wipe off, you have to use bleach. A bleach alone can take off my time. Me don't know bleach done. And you don't have no money to buy none. And me
You
don't
can't wash
buy
it every washing machine. So make up your mind, Daddy. Just
Yo, just open this up.
I'm on tool this and work with you.
Daddy, we now mash up the
Oh, you want to be harder with us, so just send cos boy picture with you see the night and make cos boy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See how easy? You know if you deal with them, you know.
More money. Yeah.
Brand new to you know.
And that's the money we care about. So I can't buy a chance for $500,000 on my account.
More 1 million.
No, we can't do so. Can't.
Yeah, let's split the half in a 3.
Just take 100
You want money?
please.
You want money too? Yeah, dear job, you want money?
More money, yes.
Yo, you can chat to you. Want make me send the picture to you? You want money?
Yeah.
Alright. Can I just take one little 200 for yourself? And give me 1 3 and give me this 1 3, see me?
What time are you issue the man money?
Nice.
If you have look conscience, man.
Wow, that's a good vacation, you know?
Yeah, man. Nice. Enjoy it. Woo!
You just come in and pull the curtain or a soil.
You think that's how I would leave because I'm not going to this up on my reach here.
Well, sometimes I can say enough of the things in all this too.
You can't blame me still. Go to the house.
Well, drive in, think more, lie down liquor. Well, at the computer or something.
Oh. Oh,
Boy, can't find a computer and I write this on my left feet.
What? You know, so me have a great man see a family then take a laptop though. Because same thing with the key. You couldn't find the key and I over them and look me highly believe see how they leave it. Highly believe. A half your family can't take it. Half it.
You mean my family didn't take it? I no left my key over there and then don't have access to my place. So how I see them coming in?
But tell the honest truth, I'm look at your family them and see teeth written out in their forehead.
So you are trying to disrespect my family?
Me not disrespect your family then, but it is the truth. They look like a thief.
But I don't see no way in here look like nobody come through here. I don't see no way. So which one computer I gone? And I have family left it.
You don't pick clock. Every teeth don't pick clock, you know, so maybe.
Yeah, but would I come see the door open me for that big case, then I don't see no door open. So how that?
You sure you don't want cut key for the place or something?
Cut key where them all get key from me?
Your key, right? The key will lock. Look here, the key we did have.
What
We had to cover them
I don't
yard.
want to hear about that right now. The one me a talk about is my laptop. My laptop and my working tool. I hit me make all of my money pan. So if I don't have my laptop, how are we going to have money?
Now that again, what we are going to do?
If I don't have my laptop, how am I going to make money and make me do all my money transactions?
Call
If I
them.
them do what?
If I them come to account TV,
How them all come in account TV and then don't have a key?
and them thief your key, most. Over there left your key.
You
So you know
still
if
find
you-
one argument about thief key?
All of them, I must over there left your key because when they come out of floor place, they take up your key. Hello, nobody let them find keys.
Cause
Yeah, man.
me now have big problem man cause
Oh, well.
you know say I just come off a little vacation. I did fi spend more time but me never get to deal with it. You know, cause we end up just do some little quick things. So I just come back and I left my laptop on my bed under a pillow. Me can't find my laptop right now. I not see no way where it look like somebody come in here and move with my laptop like them pick your lock or something. I don't know.
Man, carry with them on the election tour, man.
No man, up on the bed me left it cause man, me not carry my laptop with me man.
That's all like a science then, man.
But me I say me ill window. Me come in and me see the curtain jam, not even remember if me did evil. Left it so in me a go and me I wonder if somebody come through window or something. You know, not even know ya cause right now a half of my life gone, you know. Because my laptop me do all of me. No man, me have to fret over it cause man. Right now this you know, cause then I understand man, I'm a laptop of my life, you know man. I'm a laptop and I earn majority of things, you know.
Hello, man, why you chat about me now?
No man, nothing like that cause man, I'm in the one place man. So should I yes some left my laptop man. It come like if somebody come through man and thief man, I swear man. Cause from me I'll call Ali and I talk to him about my key and him a say no see it over there, you know. So me not even know. Me I'll wonder if my lost my key somewhere and somebody just know say I have some live. Alright, let's say I work out. Boy, I don't know how I work out this because this me deal with my money transaction them and every month.
What we are going to do? What we are going to do?
No. Just try, if I never can make some soup for me to be honest. Because right now, my belly just cut me everything. So, I'm going to lie down, just make some soup and I don't know.
Turn on my shop.
I think me now want chicken. Sorry, I'm lie down. Just wait for another one.
I tell you, say that I have a strong feeling, say that I never do me.
Oh, go on, cuz.
Watch out, I think I need Papa, you know. What going?
Well, we'll stress out.
What stress you now?
So Papa and Jamie they name to look, I'm call them, you know.
You know, so them the boy they in love their secret, so they not really tell me nothing what going again.
Alright, I know when I expect me still in a cuz, but I tell her the truth. Then thief my laptop, you know.
You know what?
And thief my laptop, cuz.
Jesus.
Me,
Could I not know?
me don't know what me do people. You understand? For people that really do me something like this.
So Orlando, what they thief a laptop for?
I don't know.
So
I
what
have
the
to
money
say
they want
question.
so?
I must say my laptop and my tool, you know.
Oh,
Like when I make these money, you know. You understand? Laptop I want to make money from. Like me do my work on. You understand? Whole heap of money transaction business depend.
So what if money depend on it?
Yeah man, me tell them man a big loses and also my cause man.
Well, I wish I could have helped him. I'm sorry, cuz boy, I swear. I don't know what the Jamaica people, you know, they just thief. I don't know what to them.
And the funny thing about him, me not see no way. Where look like they come in and take him, me not see nothing.
Oh, you know, if somebody working in your house and thief a laptop, you have to see somewhere with them, bro. What they
That me I had it me all a pre. If them just come through and come me see curtain pull. I may not even remember if me did left it so. You understand?
Probably
So,
they
really
climb
remember.
up on the back of the house, man, and they get one leather put
But
up
differently
on
do cause change it also me did learn.
Jesus Christ.
You know have you now okay I'll learn because as I say me dip on my face you know.
Me
And I
must
have no
have
food
just-
I had you know.
I just month ago me do surgery, you know, cause boy. So me can't, me not really have it yet. Me fi get some money, you know, but the money not come through. I don't know. I just miss it and so I look for my phone and the money not even come through, my belly will start cut me again. To more. Me not have it, man. Me not get it yet. But as soon as me get it, man, me make you get it. And you know me will make you get it, cause your family, you know, man.
Well, I tell you say rough for me you know. Believe me
Sorry
you know.
to hear
'Cause
that still.
right now I hardly can put in gas in my vehicle you know. One of my brethren them I call yesterday and I met them know see my laptop thief and he sent me 120 grand to try to get some food and I just put in some gas in my car, put in 8,000 gas in my car and
Saturday just sell the vehicle then, man, and check it back yourself and check and get a new laptop and work it back home, and that's all you need to do, man. Just
I fought from
come and
zero
fix
you know.
them business.
I
If
fought
anybody
from
thief,
zero you know. And that's
if
why-
anybody thief, then
and when my
get
bank
fixed.
account start account zeros, at that time the people want to try to do me something.
I know they wear them.
So where Jamie and Papa are there?
They must go on a ball field. They know them not really tiny. They don't have nothing to do, so they ain't gone for the ball.
So when you say me can't get it changed?
Alright, check me back in 9X. Half a year.
Half a year.
If your money not come, somebody come like a tell me, come like I use them, I use me right now.
Cause one day if I eat that, they take me for something. Cause
me ever take you for idiot?
So
When
you
me
tell
used to
them
borrow
about
you, when
half
me
a
a
year.
picnic, I me used to borrow you like $20 of them. Me never used to carry them back on your
Cause
time.
no one
when
have
you
time
check
to
me.
talk about that. Me I talk about my money right now.
Yes, two. Alright.
So you tell me
2
about
month
half a year.
time. 2 month time.
But you tell me something like that, man.
2
But you
month
tell
time,
me,
2
you
month
tell me
time.
half a year like I eat that, you tell me for first
No
month.
man, 2 month time man.
Anyways, I go walk over here then, you understand?
Yeah man. So your wife eh?
Alright, she up there, you know. You know, she gone on the road still, so most likely she must come back by now, so she have to up there.
Well, I'm really sorry for you when they said that you know, but what me can do, me only can sit down and tell her sorry, me can't do nothing about it. I pray for you still, I pray for you.
Why, me all I wonder, cause me I say, me wonder if me left my key somewhere. Because
The same key when you call her up for?
yeah man, and my car.
Say the file
No man, and my girlfriend did have a key man. I told her we have key, but me have more key. Pass me, it's like a bunch of key.
Oh.
You understand? So right now, me wonder if I someone me left my key. Because me not think over here, cause me know me take up my phone and my key. You understand? And my car keys in my pocket. You understand? So I would go over here.
I know you shouldn't put a key in your pocket because I go to somebody on road pass and take up a key.
That and then somebody go to know which part I live now and go to the.
But how they would have known say your house key depend that course?
Then if they see my last one key, them will just try something.
Oh that's true, somebody on road it man. And if you just walk just try to remember where your last place that you have a key.
The key is not a problem, I know, that's not a problem, and the computer is a problem.
Yeah, but if you find
Because now me not work, now me not do no work, me just sit down and look. You understand? And of course later man, because the more you talk about it right now I feel like TV no good.
So you say not even a power you can buy me?
Because look at my hand man, because I come like you know.
A $200 you know?
You don't know when I see first time. You don't even look for me and say 1,000 like
But me not have it because me not have it. Me didn't even have dinner. Right now 2 breadfruit and banana me I go boil.
Sorry about that man, I show my mind really there, so I'm confident when it could. You understand? So my name is nothing for cargo today, it's just sir.
You go over there, right? Take it back a laptop.
I get back my laptop. Why you keep on asking me about laptop and you
Me
know
not
that
fear.
and them have it?
Me don't tell us that them take care already. And the day when we did go over there and you leave a key on the table, you never take it up back. And you keep on and say, you never leave it over there. No,
You take up with the phone one night and the phone you take up one
you
time.
never take it up with the phone, you have the phone in your hand. You did have the phone in your hand. They didn't give her cousin and she gave it back.
I don't know what to say. Because as me can say, me just feel like say when I go down the floor, I take out the car key and I take out the wallet, me just feel say this up. But I just try like me try.
Listen to me. Me in this together, right? No matter which time I get the money from, I go there and try and get money. If you take care of the 12 until you get back on your foot. Alright, no matter now we are going to eat in the place. And it's a good thing to hear a place this is not a bill to pay like no rent or anything. I understand. So we just have to work. We have to work our way around this to be honest.
Anyways, I got to try like it now. So I'm sure it might I could do it.
Alright. But I think we have a place to know we are going to eat today.
No, I like it.
Alright. before that, me have something to say to you, right?
What's that?
I don't think me will work with this anymore because this is really stressing and see you, me have to go look bar work. If you try to pay the bills them, make sure the food in at the house. Look here, my mother need money. Me not can send my mother money because well, by the time I get paid, money done. Pan the bills them and food just to feed the both of us. I hear the man. Are you supposed to get up off your what about so me there go say? Are you supposed to get up and go look work and mind the both away? My mother need money right now. You're supposed to even can give me a money if you go give me mother. You're broke, you don't have no money right now. Me not go slung on this with the honest truth. I go through this with it too long now. Sufferation enough for me. Enough fit me.
So,
you're ugly.
what you try to say to me now? You try to tell me say you do things to me and you talk about it, right?
It's not the things we
Because-
ain't talk about
no,
it.
listen,
I am very stressed, so me eventually me gonna talk
No,
about
but
it.
listen up. Remember you said to me, say, me and you through all of this and you go just go and help me until I come back on my feet
Blah blah
and get
blah.
everything.
Yes.
But
Yes.
me ask you a question. Me not like do things and talk with people, you know, because even though you tell me say I'm a family, then thief my laptop and things, even though me not have a proof, so me not gonna really say at them. I understand if me get a solid proof, then things can happen. But what me go do now, you can't judge a book by a cover, you know. You
Me nah
understand? So
judge
what
a
me
book
a,
by
so what me
cover.
a try to say, me can't blame them for something what me not see. You understand? Because by an idea if me go a court now, what they must say if me have a proof with them and how they have something for going in my house. So you really left me through all of this and you tell me say me I go fight this
Look here.
through
Me
thick
say-
and thin.
hello.
And
Me-
when me did the on my feet, you know, me not talk about it, you know. Me spend a lot of money on you.
Obviously, talking
You say your
about
nails
money.
want to me make you get that. Your hair want to make you cheer style like every 2 weeks. Me make you live a hotel. And we have a good house here. Me make you live a hotel said we. Make you live on fast food.
But all
now
of
me
my life
running
they
around
gone
with-
down in drain. That's the thing. The
Yeah,
life
but now
gone
me
down
running
in
around
drain.
like a difficulty, right? You tell me say you can't do it no more, you done.
You need to get up and go look a job and try to take care of
No,
yourself.
everything good.
Get yourself
7
together.
times falls and many times rise.
Many times, right?
So, if you want to leave, see the door there. Nah, I'm gonna stop you.
You don't have to show me the door because me already know which part the door there.
Just to show you, it's good.
Don't have to show me.
You
So me
fight
go-
it, man. As I said, 7 times falls, many times rise. So if
Okay.
you want to leave,
Believe.
you can leave.
You
Me nah
don't
go, me nah go hold it. Alone and leave, me I go feel a wave. Understand? Might be shed 2 tears because me they are fight it. And soon as me drop down, now it's like you know I help me I fight ground. You help me little and it come like you just me
Look
drop
here.
again.
You're
'Cause
coming like
basically,
a
that
one
come
big
like-
burden if you never know that. You're very
It's
hard.
good. Thanks.
Look here, it's very hard
No,
to
no,
find
argue
you.
with
You
you.
eat enough, you know?
Because-
And the bills is very high. Me a look a bar work what me I do. By the time I don't pay bills, me I work out myself a bar.
Alright,
By
you
the
can
time I don't pay the bills and me have money left back for myself,
Alright, you
no.
can just pack up your things I'm gonna do here.
You don't have to tell me that and I
go
said
on the
that
road
once.
now, so me want when me I go, my house lock up. And the key
Sir?
we have, just put it in my hand, please.
I was
Thanks.
going to do that.
So do all of that now, please.
You know,
because
if
me
you
wanna go
tell
on the
me,
road
Mr.
and
Me,
wanna
I
lock
got
up
me,
my
I got to
place.
take out my things and man leave because it's not like you are throw me out and me feel like someone want to leave. So, bye. But I take out my things and bring a people and give you. It's a friend and bye. See me? Well, the others are things on me up here. Me don't know if it's about them because they really. They go carry a car or something to carry them because I want to find something. See a key here. I'm going to send me go with the key here. Place it in your hands. Okay? Goodbye. Take up your
Wow. Let's have a general.
Yeah, I want to talk, you know. I wait for the mango tree after beer. We got some money I fight last year, you know, so I look you see him.
So I call you a while ago still and so I come check you. I wonder what you think our next move me for do, cause as I say, I ain't gone with my laptop, you understand? girlfriend, although me and her left an hour, so me up on the phone. She tell me say my family them take it and she have a great mind, but me not have a proof. You understand? She say over them left a key. But me I try to reconsider it, but you know, connect.
Oh, cause nobody come in the house, you just...
Yeah, but me know me left my key somewhere, but over them I go a day and I put down my key and my phone. But one man I tell me say I take up back the key and the phone. You understand? And she tell me say I take up you over there. I left here and I call them I say I not left you over there. You understand?
Oh.
So as I gone, so on a little vacation, it's like I can't find my laptop when I come back.
Them say, if you want to know who rate you, act like you're dead.
I don't understand what you mean by that.
No, but don't worry about that, man. I'm just tell you one parable. But no, you're not gonna act like you're dead. Just act like you're mad.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then you will know who you're wrong. Act like you know no sense. You can't hear what them say.
So
act
now,
like you're mad and you're deaf. So you know you can't hear what them talk to you.
Oh.
You act like you're mad.
You know what I say? So because the papa, I just remember that tell me something like that, you know, so we did have one cousin and as he turn up on his feet and he start rise, then taking things them. I mean, he said that licking nerves and he mad out and then give him back.
No, you never mad, man. I mean, telling me the same thing.
Oh, you telling me said things?
Yeah, and you get back everything. Because when I get back the things, then I act like a mad for a while and then just disappear. Because next time I'm going to kill you. Yeah? Right, so you just do that. So you're good though, different from that.
No man, me not good, but we have life still.
That
so
is
you
the
know,
tell one thing.
on a relationship, me worry about man. I laptop man, I'm say that slow me down.
Listen, man, what me say if you go do that? Go act like you're mad. When you act like you're mad, you act like you're wild too. And them now go like to see that way there. You went to the house, you make be nice. You know what I mean? Whenever nobody come up, they want to talk, you go and make a sense about things. Gone, you touch back in the mad. So you go and come. You know what I mean? So but they talk about the things them. You know? When them clarify and say, mad, and you mad out, you realize they know so you're mad. So you start talking about things and you're mad. So I'm my laptop, I'm my job top, I'm this and that, you sing about that, and then anything else. Anything with problem, you see when you find it, your woman now, I see none of her friend them, you call her name enough times. So if you want to tell her, say, yo, you're mad youth, you know what I mean? So she will come back to you just enough, which with guilty conscience now, go and try fix you. Or when she come to fix you, you fix her. You know what I mean? But anyway, go on the
all respect for
yeah, man, go on the thing, man. Yeah, man, maybe I go on with the meditation.
Alright.
Yeah, man, just do that, man. We work for one, we work for all.
Respect, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's wait for the man go through ya. Now the friends look at teeth, then teeth, you know. That's wait for the blossom and beer. Alright. I have to make a money out this year.
Sleep, yeah, go sleep, man.
I go to sleep.
Oh, what is it? What you do?
I said, don't you think you can him?
Oh.
How him?
Oh, someone here.
Yeah, get by my laptop.
No?
Yeah, take on your laptop. Oi!
You see what happened now?
What happened?
You see what happened now?
Chad, get up on the ramp it. I ramp
I
him up.
tell you, don't take your man. I don't go and take your man.
What we used to do for nobody, chat too much.
You know your man tell you laptop.
You take it too. Remember, so we
Me
have
not take
pictures now.
it.
You take it too. Chad, get up over here. Go man, cause boy, get up, get up.
I sleep, man. I sleep.
They wide open there, you check and you sleep. Oi!
You see what happened now?
Wow.
It's okay.
I'll prank me.
How if you prank? You just come and say come to sleep.
Sleep.
You gonna tell me
You must see make up
what
your bed.
laptop?
This is when I'm money, man. This is what.
But
Laptop.
laptop. So them say my take funny laptop.
Why am I late? Oh, God.
What's in that list?
3.
God, it's true. God, I'm good.
What do you?
You ask me like a doctor to you.
So we are up with a big move.
Let me tell you something. You see, if I want to go home, I want to my cousin because he had things.
It's my laptop.
That him, that's it.
And them take it up.
And you take him my laptop.
Yeah, no, walk your
And
one
you
more
take him
time.
my laptop.
Auntie, doctor.
Yes, I he didn't take care of my laptop.
No.
And look where me come to
No food and no food.
Yo.
Want some water?
Oh, water. I'll get him water. I'll get him some water.
Why not?
No,
You
I can't.
can't take one.
Some
Water.
You it's a bad sign, you know. Why you with me? Why you with me, man?
How are you?
Me plan phone here. Me plan phone, man.
The plan.
Hey, any plan you have plan, make sure you plan for yourself. Never you plan with somebody.
You see the picture there where you take?
My
Me
laptop.
hacking on your phone and me delete everything.
You might have to say a film phone alone. No, but no, yes.
Oh, yeah.
How much?
Me hacking on your phone drive.
You can't tell me.
And me-
Yeah, alright, good.
Say, where your girlfriend there?
You man, I ask man,
What's laptop? You keep on talking about laptop.
the one empty.
Oh, you're too thief.
I don't understand what me do.
Daddy, you tell me how to find.
Me clear up everything.
Daddy, I hate
You might have feel so you're smart.
You might be sick, but it's not there.
Sure.
Because me get rid of everything.
Now remember-
And when me take the money off of the laptop, I feel 200 name me use.
Where?
But what do you need?
I'm gonna get that
I
money.
don't mean I should be like getting that now.
Me send it to your account and send it back from your account to my account.
So for your name in there.
No worries.
No! My account is not my name on it.
So you take off your money?
No, my account.
Good. Thank
Yes.
You confirm it.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway,
And you suing him for being there. Hear that he
we
say
know.
that.
We're not there. You know
Yes.
too much about me.
That the video they are going by tonight.
Really
Alright.
cheap thing I'll leave it.
You get a car drive. You chat too much. I like you chat too
Look
much.
how no work him and mad out.
Oh, I know we make him
Do
chat.
me tell him friend start, you know.
What?
Me never in it.
You chat too much.
Come back. Brittany. Really, come back. Brittany. Brittany. It's a Brittany. Brittany, come back. Brittany. Come back.
Oh, you're gone. Yeah. Where you going, girl?
You know who we just see?
Who?
Chad.
So they couldn't about him for. Many left long time.
Yeah, him left.
Yeah.
You know, you didn't know say mad. When I walk around and I say, Brittany,
So
come
I
back.
walk and I call me name for. After me and him no day.
So you make your boy a mad, Brittany?
Me? Hello, hello. If I don't
Yeah.
know rumor then I have to know to me make man mad. Don't do that.
Me see him with one sheet of cardboard and walk with him clothes tear up and I just fear them and call down the whole
I'm
company.
a slide tell girl. I have to prank this.
If you feel say me I tell like go and go check.
Me have to go over there for true. Me have to go over there because
You
I
say
have
what
to
you
lie they tell.
Not too long ago me see him in a upper yard, me see him that walk so I'm over there now. Me I say, yo, come with me and go over there because me I, you know what?
Me alone we go over there. Me don't
Alright.
want you come. Go on your yard, we go over there.
Me I left my pot pan fire. Shop me a go, you know. Me didn't even bother go a shop.
Go on. Mado, Chad. I like this. Me for go over there right now.
Yeah man, so and I later me give you a call back. You see what I'm saying around? Alright.
Chad.
Hurt me.
Chad,
Hurt me.
how are these? How are me to your youth?
Hurt me.
Get up.
Hurt me.
Come. How comes this happened to you?
Are you mad me out?
Me mad heart. How comes?
You want to get a baby?
Get up off here and come in our house. Get up.
Get a baby.
Get up now. Boy, give baby. Come on. Come in our house. Come and deal with these seven mad out it. No, sir. What the do you? Whew. Lord Jesus.
Feel like I get back my senses them now.
What?
Man, so
Chad,
I come back, I feel like I get my senses them.
Let me ask you a question. This real or fakey?
Alright, I'm the real yeah. The reason why I do this is because I feel like I better way to make you come back. Understand? So I just be mad and make people see me if you come to you. You know.
You're
And
real
I just
this
walk
child?
and call up and because I really love you, I can't go without you like this. You understand? But no worry yourself man, I have a plan. This can make me get back everything. You understand? Because I said something I do to my cousin them too, but then I feel like I'm mad.
Oh, so
I mean, then
you
give me back everything.
so you finally realize you're them steal or something them,
Don't worry about
right?
the party, man. Just thanks to you, don't worry about it.
Like how you find out, like how I find out everything, I think me I gonna help you get back your things then. You see me? We have to come up with a plan though, because we can't just go over there like this. We have a plan something.
Talk,
Go
man.
over there. We have to think about the plan first. Me now just say.
Yeah, but don't worry yourself, man. You know, but you don't have to bother leave because I will get back everything from people all who never take nothing from me.
You sure?
This a state of how me act. It don't make me get back things, so don't worry yourself. I just play a mad role just to get back everything. So you don't have to leave now, man. Me and you together. So, oh, for sure, I know still I come in, go and give me a piece one day.
No man, go on, wait later.
Yo. Who ain't got there now? Cause him out there.
We're nervous. But this will follow me down.
I
Come back in now.
don't even have no message.
No man, him go care about the stuff. Him go
Oh.
care. We have a family.
Oh.
You can't keep the money, but care about the
You
last
must
time you
be
got
mad.
the money, cause the business coming
You
up.
must be
Turn over.
mad. And I will not have the money, will not
Let me
give
tell you
back
something.
the money.
Look here. No, me, I'm not giving back for him money.
And
But
you care about the
if you
laptop.
care back, you're in a too.
Oh,
You.
you must.
Me will give me, go send back the money in an account on the laptop.
Alright, so you made it to the end of this movie. You understand? So as I said before, don't worry yourself. There's a part 2 for this movie, Mad Out. And I hope you enjoy it. You understand? And I hope you understand the story when I push out. You understand? So part 2, as I say, part 2 maybe now go drop as me put up part 1, I now go drop part 2 after my cool another movie first, then me drop part 2. But let's see how it goes. But part 2 did it. Understand? I just cut the movie right there so which you see end. So, you know, still out there asking for the help for the camera. You know, we don't get no phone call as yet. But they know what time do it, so we just wait for the right person to call and say, Puppy, then I want to help you. Understand? So, as I say, we just go and use the phone until better days. You know, we not push something. We never put anything in anybody's pocket. So, you know, as I say, just goddamn time. So just big up the whole of Color and Book TV family. Big up Tucker TV, Richard Brown Films, Jammy Wood Entertainment, Public Report, Paradise Nation, PFS Films, you know, Talk Up TV, DS, you know, big up whole family. You understand? Yeah man, Puppy Dan say that man. One love.